Welcome to STEAM Time!
Welcome to CHC Science Lab. Today, you're going to learn about many different fun experiments. Let's go! First, we're going to do melting rainbows.
Using magic?
No, using science.
Uh,
Where are you going? I'm glad you're back and ready for science.
I guess science is cool too.
The materials needed for this experiment are
A plate.
Skittles,
Taste the rainbow.
and water. We'll give you a few minutes to go and get all of these items. What do you think will happen if we pour water on top of the Skittles?
Does it need to be hot water or cold water?
It's better with hot water.
Well, I'm not sure, so let's see.
Okay. Wow, that was cool, right?
Yeah, that was awesome. The colors, it made a rainbow in the water.
Let's try some different patterns.
Wow, that one was like a color wheel in art.
Yeah, and we have enough to do one more.
Yeah, I want to try a different pattern.
Okay. Why do you think the colors spread?
Well, I did wave my wand.
No, we're not doing magic. Remember, we're doing science. The colors spread because the colors dissolved in the water from the candy to make a rainbow.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. Now you guys try. You can't eat that. The next experiment we're doing is called moving art.
That's just like Harry Potter.
No, we're not doing magic. We're focused on science.
Okay.
The materials needed for this experiment: a glass dish that's smooth,
Different colored Expo markers.
and cold water. We'll wait a few minutes so that you can go and gather all of the supplies needed.
What do we do first?
First, you want to get your Expo marker, open it, and you're going to draw on the glass. You want to try to draw small, dark, and bold. Perfect. Then you want to blow a little bit to make it dry. You'll get your water and you're going to pour it very slow in the pan.
I thought that looked like magic.
No, actually what you're seeing, the alcohol in the coloring, in the marker, becomes separated and repels on top of the water.
I think it's magic.
No, science.
What are we doing with all this?
It's gonna be fun. It's called an at-home lava lamp.
Oh.
So first you're going to need oil. Doesn't matter what kind.
A glass container so you can see through it.
Antacids.
Food coloring, your decision.
And water. We'll give you a minute to gather your items. First, you want to pour 1/4 of this of water. Perfect. Then you're going to pour in oil. Perfect. Now you're going to do drops of the blue food coloring. You can watch how they go down, but they're not going into the water yet. You can use the antacid and drop it in. Now you just look and wait.
Wow, it's starting to bubble.
Yep. It's not magic. This is science too. If you want, you can drop in another tablet.
I noticed that the water and the oil didn't mix.
That's because water and oil don't mix. They stay separated. When you drop in the food coloring, it attaches to the water and mixes. Then, when you put in the antacid, it mixes the food coloring and the water, and it starts to bubble and go through the oil. It's a pretty cool reaction. Our next experiment is an explosion.
Oh, finally! I can use this.
No, you can't. We're using soda.
And I guess candy?
Yes, Mentos. That's it. Go get your supplies. That wasn't a very good explosion.
That's because you use science and not magic.
No, we need to add in more Mentos. Let's go outside and try it.
Wow, you were right. Adding more Mentos made the soda go higher.
That's because the more Mentos inside, it makes more gas, and the faster it goes up and explodes.
Pretty cool.
It was fun. Our last experiment is a little messy. It's called cloud dough. make sure you have an area that can be cleaned easily. The materials needed: cornstarch,
food coloring,
and baby lotion. Okay, that's it. Go get your materials while we wait. Okay, are you ready? You're going to need 2/3 of cornstarch. Just put it on your table.
Now you're gonna need 1/3 baby lotion. Ready to mix?
Now we just mix it.
You're right. That was pretty messy.
Yeah. Do you want to clean up a little bit before we start talking more?
Yeah, I think that's best. Wow, these were really fun.
Yeah. I hope that you enjoyed all of our experiments today.
Yeah, I enjoyed them.
And you remember, they're not magic, they're all science.
Yeah, I know. I guess science is pretty cool.
Yeah. We can't wait to see your pictures at home doing all of these experiments.
See you later.